how to change the styles. In this tutorial, I'll show you how easy it is to change the font, size, color, and background of the Hebrew. Let's take a look with Patina.
Swipe left on the screen or click on the menu icon in the top right corner to find the Style Settings menu at the bottom of the list. You can change the font of the Hebrew by choosing from the list at the top. Click Save Styles, and the Hebrew will change appearance instantly. You can quickly go back to the Styles menu by clicking or tapping on the blue palette icon. Give each font a try to see which style you like best. We even have fonts that look nothing like modern Hebrew, but were used millennia ago. These two sliders control the size of the Hebrew text and the size of the translations text, respectively. Play with these settings to make the text more readable for you. With highlight color, you control how the Hebrew appears when a verse is narrated or when a syllable is played. See what happens when we change the color to blue. Finally, you have the option to change the pattern of the scroll containing your verse selection. Click Choose a Background, and you'll see several patterns to choose from. Go through each one to see what looks best to you.
As you can see, there are many ways to change Bible in Hebrew's appearance to suit your style. To try it out for yourself, click the link in the description to get your free trial. Please leave a comment saying what style changes you would like to see, or ideas for what to talk about in future videos. Thank you for watching, and Shalom.